Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad Designer Showcase, so let's get cracking. Friends, the first design I'm showing you is from 6th grader Sean. He created this awesome Wolverine version of my axolotl. If you saw it earlier, it was not finished. He wrapped it up, he sent me another link, and I figured I would highlight it in a second video. Sean, I love how you took my lesson and turned it into something absolutely fantastic. Friends, our second design is from Avyukt Sean. I'm going to paste it in right here, and let's watch this sweet Z-Bird car come to life. Friends, this is the second design of Avyukt's that I've highlighted. The first one I found in the Tinkercad gallery. I'll show you that gallery once again in a minute. Friends, this is 100% original design created by Avyukt. So cool. This is awesome. I can hit hide so we can look inside. You can see he's got a seat, he's got pedals, he's got a stick shift. He used the very cool transparent so that it looked like glass. So many cool features on this awesome little car, and it absolutely makes my day when he takes time to share them with me. The Z-Bird. How awesome is that? Love the scribble taillights. So many awesome features. It's absolutely epic watching your skills grow. Thanks again, Avyukt, for taking time to share. Friends, as you're designing, don't forget if you make your designs public, people can check them out. Right now I am on Avyukt's profile. I will have a link to this in the description. Currently it's sorted by likes, but instead I'm going to switch to Hot Now. Now if we look over here, this is the Z-Bird car. Friends, what I want you to know here and what I'd like you to do here is when you find these, hit the reaction, give them a reaction for their awesome work. Friends, if you're ever checking your reactions, which is kind of fun too, if you ever see an A+, that is my go-to, so it may have been me that checked out your awesome designs. Friends, I've got an idea too. If I create a shout out for you, don't forget you can add a link to the shout out here so it creates a circle of more people learning about HLModTech and more people seeing your design. Friends, really quickly, if you ever make something awesome, you can share it with me by hitting this little button here, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out and share that with me on Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail. I am HLModTech on all three of those. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options are not available, don't forget you can visit HLModTech.com. It is my website. There is a tab dedicated to Tinkercad. And then also on the bottom corner, there is a messaging tool. You can paste in your share link and reach out to me almost instantly. Finally, friends, let me show you how to make your designs public. I'm going to go back to my Tinkercad page where I just completed my awesome jet. I am going to click on the gears and I'm going to choose properties. Make sure you've got a name that you like. You can stretch this down and put in all kinds of information about your design. I've got a link to the tutorial because I want that to be designed. I typed in a couple of tags. You make it public, and then I choose attribution, no derivatives, and hit save changes. Friends, I choose no derivatives because there's a lesson and I'd rather have you gain skills from completing it instead of just making a copy of what I've built. Friends, once you've got that done, don't forget if you click it one more time, you can add more images. So I just took some screenshots of my plane, and now I can click on the different images, hit open, make sure you remember to hit upload, and then you can arrange them however you want. I'm going to add two more quickly. Once again, add image, choose file, pick the second view, and open. Hit that upload. I forgot that before, which you don't want to do. And then one more, add image, choose file, and I had this one right here. Tell it open, upload, and then don't forget to pick which one you think is your coolest. I'm going to look through them, and I think I like that one, and I'm going to choose set as default and tell it OK. This is a good time to double check and make sure that your properties look like you expect as well. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks again to Avyukt and Sean for taking time to share your amazing designs with me. Friends, it absolutely makes my day when I get to see your cool creations. Of course, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.